Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenwork Farms. It's the first week of April 2020. It's gonna be rainy and windy for the next week, so it's about time for me to get my kale in. Let me show you. Now we plant all of our kale in landscape fabric, so we don't have to worry about weeding. And for that, use 4 foot wide fabric because our rows are 4 foot on center. And we burn holes with a torch. This one's nice because I can stand up and use it and not have to bend over. Plant our kale 10 inches on center by 10 inches in row. So we're 10 inches on center per row, 10 inches in row. And for that, I just made a template. I have an old piece of plywood, set out my holes, drilled them, staggered them. These are 2 1/4 if I remember right. So I burned down to the end of my board, then drag my template along, line up the first 2 holes. I got a center mark there where I start at, and then line up the center mark down here with the template. All right, well, it decided to rain on me, so I'm gonna work on continuing this all the way down the end, just like this, all the way down. But I might take a break real quick because it's really starting to come down. Now that I have this one complete, I'm going to book fold it. I'm going to take this end over here, go all the way down, come back and get the fold, and keep doing that over and over again. That way when I'm done, I'm ready to put it in the field. Both my ends will be down at the end and I can get it to stretch out easily. Just simple as that. Now, since I was careful of how I folded these up, where I have both ends down exposed on one end, it'll be a lot easier laying it out. All I have to do, line it up on my bed, drop one pin in one corner, grab my other end, walk it out. Now I'll just go through and pin it about every 5 to 6 foot. All right, got the rest of my landscape fabric down behind me. And I'm gonna call it a night. We got rain on the way, possibly some hail, so I don't want to put the starts out and endanger them. Well, it was way too windy yesterday. We had winds about 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gust all day, so I didn't get the kale out. But today I'm gonna put these out. Got couple different batches here. Most are darker bore kale. These are newer, and these are a little older. I got some red Russian kale back there too I'm going to work with, just because I didn't have enough seed at the time. And these other starts here, they're doing pretty good, starting to show a little yellow. That's why I need to get them out in the field. So let's get them out there. Now popping plugs is pretty simple as well. Let's get a stick about the size of the holes in the bottom of the flat, ones with roots, push them through to release them. You can pull it out. Nice plug, a little root bound, not bad, but ready to plant. Now for planting my plugs, use a dibbler stick. It's cut out same shape as the bottom of the plug. I'll drop it down in the soil, push the plug in to get it right flush with the top of the existing soil line. Don't worry about filling back in around them. The irrigation will take care of that for me. I just work my way to the end of the bed. All right, I got them all in. That is 500 kale starts. Got some red Russian on the end, the rest is darker bore. All in all, it looks pretty good. Just need to get the irrigation set up and water them in. Well, I hope y'all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.